Welcome back, you all. In this video, I will show you how to install Challex Retriever on iOS 18.2. Just search like I do, then head into the first search result. And scroll down to download Challex Retriever. First, you need to install Pangu8 Pro to get it. Once the installation is completed, open Pangu8 Pro app and select Challex to download. After that, open the Challex Retriever. Now swipe right to extract the repo Jailbreak solution. Here, I'm going to install checkrain mirror. Just follow my steps to install checkrain mirror on your iPhone. Once you completed all the things, you can get jailbreak features like tweaks, themes, game emulators, wallpapers, and the amazing options that changes your boring look of the device. If you find this video helpful to you, please like and subscribe the channel to get new video notifications. Thank you. Let's meet with another video.